Hi, you asked for wavies. Let me show you wavy blondes here. Here are the wavy ones. This is straight. There's another wavy. There's another wavy. As you can see there, some of them are light blonde, some of them are honey blondes. But this is like platinum blonde, but it's slightly coarse. This is fine, soft. This is fine, soft. So when you're purchasing, just let me know. If you don't want any coarse hair, I will remove them. This is fine and coarse. This is we call darker blondes. It's because slightly darker. There's another one here, wavy. This is more like straight. This is more like straight. So these are the wavy blondes. Now you're placing order. I will try to find you a bit more. We have about 15 plus kilos of blondes right now in stock. And as soon as you place your order, we will start sorting and we'll take more videos of your stock. Thank you.